Hello everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for all the work you've put in class so far. Just a real quick reminder, this course is a 10-week course. Most of your other courses are either 8 or 16 weeks, so this course will not end until October 30th. We did kind of take it slow this week, and part of the reason for that is I know many of you have finals either today or next week all week. So spend all of your time preparing for those and do your absolute best. Come talk to me if you have any questions on your schedule for the second 8 weeks. You should be able to all view that in WebAdvisor now, so if you have any changes to make, just let me know. I did want to give you a little more information on what is going to be expected of you starting next Friday. I have opened all modules. 1 through 7 are currently open so that you can just go through and finish anything that you have not finished so far. I wanted to show you a little bit about Module 6 and 7. Module 6, there are two things that we want you to have access to. Don't worry about this career exploration. In fact, I am going to delete it right now. So I will change this information right here. Do not worry about the lecture quiz on this assignment. I do want you to worry about these two things here on the bottom. Cooter Journey is a website that Odessa College has signed up for. This is a way that you can go in. Let's open the link, but also let's look at the instructions here. It tells you a little bit about what Cooter Journey is, but what I want you to see is the instructions on how to log in. So it's got the website that we just opened right there, and then for the first time, you just create your account. Notice this uses your 7-digit OCID number. This is going to use the 0 that leads your ID, and then the 6 digits that you're used to using for Blackboard and email. So we'll just add a 0 next to whatever our student ID is at the beginning, and then the activation code is down here. You'll click register, and then this is the instructions to take an assessment. What we want you to do is take these 3 assessments right here, and this is going to be one of those tests that tells you some things that you might not have thought about that might be a good career option for you. At the end, it should give you a 1-page summary. Take a picture of it, copy it, take a screenshot, submit it just like you would any other assignment. We'll click there, go down here and click Browse My Computer and upload it. That's all you need to do on this one. Now the College Network one's a little differently. Again, there's a PDF that's going to show you a little bit of information about it. The College Central Network is something that many universities actually have. This is kind of a weird one for a college, but it's got some basic information on what you can do. There are resume builders, there's announcements when there's orientations or transfer fairs going on. They'll be posted on here. And then there's also a job board that is specific to our school. So there's people that are posting jobs that they're looking for college students. Your username will be your 7-digit ID again, and it will have the 0 in the front. And then the password is going to be whatever you created. So we will click this link right here. It's going to take us to this page. We'll click it again. And we are going to go set up a profile. So we'll click Students. And then this is where our user ID is going to be our student ID starting with the 0. And then your password is going to be something you've created. So we'll click Create an Account, Create an Access ID, again, student ID. Create a password. This is something you're going to create, and then click Continue Registration. It'll ask you, and it'll do the same thing on Cooter Journey. It'll ask you for some information that's specific to you. One thing I forgot to mention, on Cooter Journey, I want you to put they're going to ask for a graduation date. Everybody we'll put 12 of 2018. That's not when we're going to graduate. It could be before, it could be after, but for now, use December of 2018 as your graduation date. Module 6, do those 2 things, and you are good to go. Let's go back and look at Module 7 real quick. Degree planning. The majority of everybody in here should be a nursing student. If you are not, I'm going to show you how to get... Let's move this up just a little. How to get to your degree plan. On our website, let's use the old one because that's the one you're seeing. There should be student services, and then we will click on degree plan samples, and there's a whole list of degree plans out there. Diesel technology, EMT, cosmetology, business leadership, general studies, they're all out here. Whichever one we're looking at, that's the one we want you to open. For everybody that's nursing, I have it posted right here. Just click open. Here's something that a lot of people are having a little bit of an issue with in Microsoft Word. You will have to go to View and then Edit Documents. What happened here? Give me 1 second. Let's go back to this page here. On the degree plan, and I'll update that one that was in there. But we can just open the nursing one from here. Associate in Applied Science, open. And it should look something like this. Now, in order to actually go in and write on it, you will have to go to View and then Edit Document. What I want you to fill out, this entire top portion on both pages. Name, first name, middle name, student ID, phone number, address, catalog. The catalog will be 2015. And leave the page number blank. Tasks, just leave this blank. This one here will be blank. Everything else above will be filled out. Now, for nursing, we want you to, if you're in anatomy and physiology right now, or in the second 8 weeks, it's going to be listed as fall. If you're not in those classes, I want to know when you plan on taking them. So for most of you, it'll either be 15 fall or 16 spring. Same thing with English. If you're taking it right now or in the second 8 weeks, 15 fall. If not, 16 spring. Language, philosophy, and culture is going to be that humanities course. If you're taking it now, 15 fall, not 16 spring. And also down here, I want you to do lifespan growth and development. Everything else, leave blank. You have to be accepted into the nursing program in order to do it, so just leave that part blank. From here, we're going to save this on our desktop, save it wherever you've been saving files, and we will then upload it as the degree plan. Sorry, can't see that. As the degree plan submission. So we'll click there, browse my computer, and upload the file. Hit submit, and that's all you have to do. One other thing I want to show you real quick. I have added this at the bottom, inspiration. What I want, and this came up from a discussion we were having in another class, I want an example of something that inspires you. Give me a quote, maybe it's from a book, a quote from a movie, a scene from a movie, a YouTube clip, somebody giving a spoken word, a TED Talk, or even just a song. Anything that gets you pumped up, anything that when you're feeling down, you know that you can put that on and you'll feel better. Something that inspires you, maybe something you work out to, anything like that. All I want you to do is click on inspiration, and you can either add it in the comments and just copy and paste the link. You can put it on a Word document and submit it. However you want to do it, just send it to me. What this will do is replace any grade that we might be missing, with the exception of the faculty mentor assignment or the Cornell notes. Those both have to be completed in order for you to finish this class. If you have any questions, feel free to send myself or Jordan Smith an email. It's tlclark@odessa.edu, and for him it's jsmith@odessa.edu. Good luck on your finals. Do your absolute best. Again, this course does not end until October 30th, so we will see you next week. Let me know if you have any questions.